we're moving, and that means packing everything up. We've already done a really good portion of it, but today and tomorrow are the last days to pack everything and get it cleaned, and things have been taken away in a truck, and yeah, that's what's happening. So you may be wondering where we're moving, why we're moving, and just all of that kind of stuff, and why I've decided to film a video about it. Filming a video about it because it's a whole process, and it's kind of like going to be like the first part of a new stage and a new chapter in what's happening. So that's why I'm filming a video about it. Well, and where are we moving? Well, we're leaving London and moving home to New Zealand. We've decided to move back to New Zealand this year, basically because of coronavirus and the fact that it's basically just ruined all of our plans, and the restaurant we work in is super quiet, so we're not getting much money, and like pretty much everybody on the planet, coronavirus has just thrown us all asunder, and 2020, yeah. But that is why we have decided to go home. So it was a decision that we made together and with our parents because of the circumstances around this year. Unfortunately, we were planning on being in England and in the UK for considerably longer than just a year and a bit, and particularly in London, but everything has just hit the fan basically. And so with that being said, and now you have the reasons for the move and where we're going and everything, I think it's time to jump to the packing montage side of things. So hit the music and let's start some time lapses and some montages. Welcome to the next day, and this is the day that we hand in our keys and officially check out of this flat. And if you can't tell by sound, it's super empty. I'll show you. Lounge and, well, the living space, lounge and dining room is empty, and except for rubbish, and the hallway is empty, and the kitchen
mostly empty.
You heard it. Candace's bedroom is empty, and my bedroom is empty. And the bathroom is empty and clean. We stayed in a hotel last night because there's no beds here, so obviously it makes perfect sense. The estate agent that runs the flat for the landlords is coming soon to do the checkout and get the keys and everything like that, so That's what's happening today. The boxes all that was shipping back to New Zealand have gone, and now as soon as we hand in the keys, we officially don't have anywhere to go. So until we get on the airplane tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this video here, and then I will do the next part of our journey back to New Zealand, which is the flights, in the next video. So if you want to see what it is like to fly for 27 hours during coronavirus, then subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified, because the next video will be about that. And then the one after that will be about our 2 weeks in quarantine, because when we get to New Zealand we have to quarantine for 2 weeks before we can actually return home. So also gonna do a video on that. So if you want to know about all of that stuff, then definitely make sure you're subscribed. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment section, and check out the description for links to social media and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video in an airport. But until then, remember to explore all you see, laugh out loud, and live your dreams. Okay.